All right, here we go, guys. Today we have a special one. We got a paint correction, full exterior business on a 2012 Chevy Avalanche. This thing has never been detailed.
All black.
Yes, all black. As you can see, immediately, paint needs some work. Black trim needs some work. Got to level that out. Got to get it nice and saturated again, condition. Paint just hurting.
Swirls.
Scratches. Scuffs, calcium deposits,
Paint transfer.
mineral deposits. It's all there. This stuff here just dry.
Get the acid ready.
Yeah, we got to keep the acid locked and loaded. Some more black trim restore right here on the rear bumper. Get that treated up, looking good. Wheel wells hurting. Wheels, tires, all need the business. Here we go, some more shots of just the bottom panels. Just hurting. This thing, here's some more shots of the hood. We have mineral deposits.
So I had to get the decon ready.
Water spot remover ready.
Clay bar ready. Look at this. Look at this grill.
Polish. Yeah, we need the polish. We need the chrome polish. Get ready for this. Had the arthritis after this one. Got the Avalanche. Heavy calcium buildup on that thing. Too many washes with hard water.
Inspection time.
Inspection time, post-wash, and decon. Check it out. This is what we're working with. This is where the correction needs to get done. Never base correction off of a vehicle that you have not inspected first, especially cost and time estimates. So here we go. We're going to give a quick walkthrough of all the panels so you can kind of see it's pretty consistent all the way through, with the exception of the front of the vehicle. The car washes do the most damage of those front fenders, especially the bottom areas, the hood and the roof. So you can see we got our work cut out. So I already know, just looking at this, I'm going straight to rotary. We're hitting it rotary first, then we're going to refine it, back it up with the Duetto.
As he's inspecting, the polishing station is getting set up right now.
Yeah, so as soon as I'm done inspecting, I already told Sal what I need. He's setting everything up. He's getting my pad, my polisher ready. So as soon as I'm done with the inspection, I'm going straight to work. We're going to show you guys exactly what we're using. All links to all of our products, including this light, are going to be linked in the description below. So here,
the big boy is out.
Going in with the rotary, medium speed, taking my time, as you can see, controlled. With rotary, control is what you want to be at all times. You want to have control. You lose control of this, man, you can cause a lot of damage. You could cause too much heat. If you're not balanced properly, you're going to slip. Something's going to move. This machine does not move. This is on a fixed axis. Moving, it does not matter. This thing will not stop. So going in nice and smooth.
First pass
with the Rupes coarse rotary compound and the wool pad. And then Sal's going to be following up with the Rupes Uno. As you can see here, we got the coarse compound for the rotary, and we got the Uno Protect for the Duetto.
Duetto time. Following it up after Joel to hit it with the rotary, go on the second pass.
So if you guys don't know, Sal's going to tell you what he's doing right here.
So after Joel hits it with the rotary, I'm going through in the refinement stage with the Duetto. So I'm pairing it with the yellow pad, the Rupes yellow pad, and the Uno Protect. Going through refining, taking care of any holograms that might be left over.
So this is just the refinement phase, guys. This is the second step. I call this a 1.5 step correction because we're not going for perfection. I'm going in there like a madman with the rotary, cutting down, and then he's just going in for a quick refinement and protection. As you can see, we're left with a glossy finish that's also protected by the Rupes Uno Protect. So here you can see how thinly Sal is polishing out, letting the diminishing abrasives go to work and letting that protection sit behind. That gloss and clarity, guys. All right, here we go now. Here we go. So here's the final product. Solution finish, linked in the description below. That's what we use to restore the best stuff on the market. Bringing it back to black with the solution finish. Check out the gloss and the clarity, guys. The chrome, we got in there with the hand polish. Got in there with the brushes. Got all that grime out. Now this thing is shining, got a nice little smile on that front
Look
grille.
at that face.
Changed the entire look of this vehicle. This vehicle, we shaved years off this vehicle. This thing is looking nice. He's talking about selling it now.
And you know we had to hit it with the touch of bead maker at the end.
Yeah, we had to hit it with the bead maker just to give it that extra kiss on the end. But just check out how all this black plastic trim restored nicely. Brand new factory finish. No oily, greasy, cheap stuff. You know we don't play that.
And you know that we had to use the bead maker. And no dust on here from the bead maker.
No dusting. That gloss, that clarity, that shine, that depth back to the factory OEM paint. All restored. This vehicle is looking nice. The owner doesn't remember the last time it looked like this. So it's, this was a quick turnaround. This was a 3-hour job for everything, entire exterior. So it wasn't, I wouldn't call this a full paint correction, but this is our level of paint enhancement, and this is what we bring to the table to the clients. So catch you guys on the next one.
Details out.